dub, man. Fucking dub.
Need a Duberooski.
Alright, I'm fucking ready. Not dying this whole game.
Not one single down.
A few moments later.
My charge didn't shoot, bro. My charge didn't fucking shoot, bro. It was fucking good too. I just hit more. Oh, I'm dead. God damn it.
Oh no, no, where you at? Where you at? Oh, you're not even up here anymore. Oh, fuck.
No, there's med kits. 2 med kits right behind me though. Oh. Alright. I was like facing the other way, so I thought I saw your fucking card coming down to me, and then I fucking looked towards you and you're way the fuck over there. Tell me how, bro.
I'm gonna move at the last minute. I have bound to, so.
Yeah. Bro, tell me how those don't fucking hit, man. What the fuck?
No way I hit that! No way I
fucking in the mall, we was stealing hella shit. Free my brother, never switched. Remember we was out here sharing fists. Yeah, we went from bus rides to foreign whips. Way before rap on me, no devil was up in the basement. I never knew fate could take my life and be so dangerous. Cause that be my dog, I'll push in the car, no replacement. Her days to come home, he stuck all alone, locked up in them cages. What you want today? My brothers just do you wrong today. You can hate if you wanna hate, but one phone call and they on the way. What you want today? My brothers just do you wrong today. You can hate if you wanna hate, but one phone call and they on the way.
I was studying with the dropouts, lurking with a weapon. Only degrees they know it's first and second in that field, trying to do a fucking murder with a Wesson. My youngest harlots, they purging and they stepping. If you catch a body, get a burner in the necklace. I be out in traffic with some wild adolescents. They gon' leave his 9 on the curb, yeah they reckless. He was dissing on the gang, but that pussy learned his lesson. I run my flight, but it's all going, I know he'll figure. You see me flexing, coming up with a real nigga. Until it's come and deal with you. My homies deal with party for him like they still with us.
What you want today? My brothers just do you wrong today. You can hate if you wanna hate, but one phone call and they on the way. What you want today? My brothers just do you wrong today. You can hate if you wanna hate, but one phone call and they on the way.
Let's fucking go, bro. I shit on both those fucking kids.